Good morning. My name is Natasha Buhr, and I'm an Elite Green Status presenter with Younique. If you're watching this part, if there's no little red live button right up here, then you're watching the replay. So give me a hashtag replay down in the comments so I know you stopped by. And it is so early, you guys. I have a couple of things I need to get done this morning when I drop the kids off at school. So I'm going to show you what I do when I do just strictly like foundation and lashes only. So I'm going to prime my face with the Touch Behold setting spray. Good morning, Randy. It's so early. I'm like, oh. That's kind of shocking in the morning. Whew. Whew. That was a shock. Okay, that's the Touch Behold setting spray. And what your primer is going to do is it's going to keep your makeup up out of your pores. And if you use the Behold spray instead of the Touch Glorious face primer, it actually mattifies your makeup. Hey Shay, good morning. You're up every morning by 6. Oh my goodness, that's so early. Shay, good morning. So early. Okay, when I need to not look dead, but I don't have time to do, like an entire concealer, foundation, powder, all of that, I just do foundation and concealer mixed together on my liquid foundation brush. So I'm in between colors. I'm going to do 2 drops of chiffon and 2 drops of satin, or taffeta, I mean. I can't even think. Finally caught you live. I know it's so early. I got to drop my kids off at school here soon. I gotta restart my car here soon too. It only starts for 10 minutes at a time. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix a tiny bit of taffeta concealer on top of my drops of liquid foundation. And this is just kind of a cheat way to get a full coverage out of the foundation. Kind of get away with not using concealer, you know what I mean? And then I got it on there. I'm gonna dab it in my problem areas first. So we're gonna go around there, do some up there, because my eyeballs are just a wreck every day. Hey Ann, good morning. What color is your foundation? I am in between colors, and I've not ordered any of our new ones. So I'm using a mix of chiffon and taffeta, but I think I'm actually the color lace. I just haven't bought any of our new colors yet. So I'm just dabbing this around, and then I'll start buffing. Hey girl, good morning. Good morning, Karen. Okay, we're gonna buff this in. This is a serum foundation, so it's a little bit different than what people are used to. It goes on as a liquid, but then it dries to a powder. And then when you mix the concealer into it, that is a full coverage opaque concealer. So normally this foundation is gonna give you a matte finish, but since I mixed the concealer in with it, it will be, slightly dewy. Not really too much though. And then the longer you buff this foundation, the more matte it looks since it dries to a powder. Alright. I don't know what's on the TV. Like, what is that? It's kind of upbeat for the morning. I feel like it's making me mix my foundation more. Thanks for sharing, Ann. That's cool as hell. Well, thanks, Shay. See, it doesn't give me like the complete, powder, bronzer, all of that, but it gives me enough. I could totally wear this all day. I don't know why I always feel so extra, like I need so many products on my face, but this is a good coverage. I could totally get away with this all day. Okay. Hey Megan, good morning. Still in yesterday's makeup. I hear you there, girl. I don't blame you. Okay, I'm gonna do just a little bit of liner and lashes, just to, wake up. Perfect eyeliner. That is, it says mascara on the bottom. hell did I do with that? Well, I just opened some new mascaras. Oh, there they are. Okay. I'm like, where's my new mascara at? Okay, perfect eyeliner. Same thing. I just tightline the top and the bottom when I'm not really doing anything besides this. I don't focus too much on tightlining the top because, see, it's pretty visible when you don't have any other eye makeup on. It looks really good. Well, thank you. I don't know why I always feel the need to be, you know, like so extra, like I need bronzer, blush, luminizer. Like, I'm always showing you guys a complete full face of makeup. And, I mean, it's not super logical. People don't wear that every day of their life, you know? What? Kids are crazy in the morning. I can't hear you. You'll have to come in here and tell me. There we go. Okay, just simple pencil liner, foundation, concealer, lashes. And then ta-da! You no longer look dead. Hey Ashley, good morning. Okay, I don't know where my little square mirror went for my lashes. I usually have this little square mirror I use. So I've been using these tiny, tiny little luminizer mirrors. I mean, they work, but they're pretty tiny. Okay, waterproof black Epic. Let's see if I can wrangle the mirror and the mascara together today. When I'm half asleep, I don't know, my brain does not work like it should some days. Oh God, now I'm fogging the mirror up. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're just flying blind now because I'm totally fogging the whole mirror up. Hey Michelle, good morning. Do you recommend liquid eyeliner or pencil? It depends on if you have hooded eyes and what kind of a look you do normally, Randy. I mean, it's a lot of times I don't even do top eyeliner myself anymore. So I usually use mostly pencil. But if you do a lot of top eyeliner, I would say, you know, liquid's probably a decent choice for you. I like the twisty eyeliners. I like twisty eyeliners too. But I can't find any twisty eyeliners that are like the decent formula like my Younique ones are. I wish my Younique ones were twist up, that's for sure. My gut always feels so crazy in the morning time. I hate it. Do any of you guys get that, like, morning gut? Where it feels like halfway like it hurts kind of, but not really. I don't know, it's just like this morning gut ache I get. I'm definitely not a breakfast eater either because of it. Like, I do not eat breakfast in the morning. Amazon is fucking amazing. I love Amazon too. I'll be back, have to get my son up for school. Sounds good, Randy. I got about one more coat of mascara and I'm done. Super simple today, just a little bit of lashes and foundation. Just so I can, you know, look like I got my life a little bit together when I drop the kids off. I gotta go get some Christmas stuff together. Today's big day. I gotta get all my shopping done today. I've had all my stuff sitting in my account ready to go, and I've been like not spending money, you know. And Jesse gets paid today, so I've been waiting on him. So we're gonna get all that taken care of today, thank goodness. Try eating a breakfast at like 9:30 to 10, that's what I have to do. I'll try it, Megan. Good morning, Maria. Yeah, I'll try that. I mean, I don't know what it is. I've just always had it ever since I was little. I mean, it used to bug me when I was in school too, and I'd try to stay home from school a lot. It's almost like a burny stomach ache, like stomach acid or something. I don't know. Morning stomach ache. Okay, foundation, concealer, and lashes. That's literally all we did. It's like decently a full face. So I'm gonna hop off here. I gotta take the kids to school. But I will be back here in just a little bit. If anybody has any questions or anything, just shoot them down below and I will get back to you guys. Thanks so much for watching.